up, y'all? So it's the beginning of a new semester and I moved into my first apartment. It is an on-campus apartment, so I'm not too far from school, but I do have my own room, my own bathroom, and we have a kitchen. And those are all things that I didn't have living in the dorm. So since it has been a few weeks since I moved in, I did take a before video of this room, so I'm just gonna insert a clip of that. I will also insert a clip of like an overview of our living room and our kitchen, just so y'all can see what the inside of an on-campus apartment looks like. I stay in Sebastian Courtyard, and I know when I was about to move in, there was pretty much no videos of what the inside of the apartment looks like. So I definitely wanted to include that. Every apartment does not look the same, and I've heard that I have a bigger apartment or living room than normal. So maybe mine is not the one to go off of, but I still want to show you so you can at least get an idea.
Would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
So starting over here behind my door, I have a bunch of, lightweight jackets and stuff. Then moving over, I have these two organizational containers I got from Target. This top one is pretty much all miscellaneous, but in this drawer, I have like denim shorts and biker shorts. So that's the shorts drawer. And then this one, I have jeans. And this one, I have leggings and some more shorts. On top of the storage containers, I have this little, under the cabinet organizer, but I thought it would be more useful as an eyeglass holder. So I do have all of the shades that I have unpacked in here. Then right next to it, I have my perfume tray. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is all the perfume that I have. I'm trying to get more into perfume, but right now I'm really into purses, so I had to pick one. I gotta pick one. Moving on, we have the star of the room, my clothing rack. I love this thing, like, for real. Right now, the clothes I have on there are ideas of a trip that I'm about to go on. So once that trip is over with, I'll probably put like basics on here that I need to like easily access. But right now, these are just outfit ideas for my trip. Then there's like a little platform space for like shoes. Then over here we have my bags. This one is this is my school bag. I usually wear that every day at school because it can fit both my iPad and my laptop. I do like to switch my purses on a regular, so these all get worn. Then on the side, I just have these vines, to add some greenery and some color onto it. But yeah, I got those from Amazon. Then I got this little fake plant. Pretty sure I got that from Target. And then this trinket. This I got from Burlington. Then I have these floating shelves up here. First, we'll start off with my painting. I painted this with my boyfriend, and the little easel it's on is from Dollar Tree. Then we have this little trinket. I got it from Burlington. Then we have this fake plant. I'm pretty sure I got it from Walmart. That candle is from Target. These two little trinkets are from Target as well. Moving on, we have my mini fridge and my air fryer. Y'all, I'm not even gonna try to sit here and try to come up with an excuse as to why I have an air fryer in my room, but I really do just love this thing. And yeah, let me show y'all my air fryer because it's pretty much my prized possession. This thing gets used daily. And what I love about it is that it has like a reheat setting. Like, I know you know how sometimes when you put your food in the microwave, it gets like soft and like soggy and stuff like that. But if you put it in the air fryer and put that reheat setting on, your food gonna come out crisp to perfection, just how I like. Shout out to my cousin for buying me this air fryer. Like, I really love it. So behind my air fryer, I have some cups. This is my water cup. I love it. She's so cute. I got this from Amazon, and I just have this iridescent cup. I got it from Dollar Tree. And I have a mug. I was trying to get into tea for a while, but never really happened. But I love this cup. I got it from TJ Maxx. And then behind this is like a little storage box with, you know, condiments, extra bags. I have paper plates. Then right above this, I have this little picture holder. This is also from my dorm last year. If you remember that, I'm pretty sure I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. Then over here, I have my wood name sign. My dad made this. I love it. Then over here, I have my TV and another dresser. I have this incense and incense holder. I got them both from Five Below. This incense smells really good too. Then I have my TV, and then under it, I just have some more extra greenery that, you know, I didn't use. Then right next to my TV, I have this little picture wall with all of my family and friends. These pictures need to be updated though, they're all very old. Then underneath, I just have a dirty clothes hamper, and I got that from Target. I have these curtains. I got them from Burlington, and they're nice and sparkly too. Okay, so this is my bed. A lot of people really like my headboard. I got that from Amazon. Bedding is from Walmart. If you remember, this blanket was also from my dorm last year. Then I just have this throw blanket. I am reusing my posters from my dorm too, which I got from AliExpress, but I got a new one in the middle that says Hustle, and I got it from Burlington. So right beside my bed, I have this nightstand. Not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite parts of the room too, but I just love how perfectly it fits in this little space. So I put all of my skincare stuff in this top drawer, so like I can use it like while I'm getting ready in the morning at my vanity, but also so it could be easy access to my bed. Like if I'm having a long night or something, I can just reach over, grab my makeup wipe, you know, and I'm good. This one, I have all of my makeup. And this one is just miscellaneous, lashes, setting sprays. I love setting sprays. And masks. And then the bottom one is just hair stuff. This is a speaker and humidifier. I got it from Five Below, and it also changes colors. It's just a remote to my light. Moving on, I have this lamp I got from Amazon. I love it because it has a plug and 2 USBs on the other side, so I love that. Then I have these two little storage things. This is where I used to put my makeup, but you know, I have a better spot now. So yeah, they're just here for right now. Then I have a clock. Then I have a brush holder. I'm in the process of getting another one. I just don't like how that looks, so yeah, I'm in the process of getting another one. Then I have my vanity mirror. This is the same one from my dorm last year too. Yeah, I got it from Amazon. And I have like a smaller, closer up mirror I got from Five Below. Over here is some more organizational things. I keep jewelry in here, and then some smaller makeup stuff. Then over here we have my mirror. I love this mirror, y'all. Anyways, right next to the mirror I have my closet. I'll show you my closet now because it barely has any clothes in there, so it's not that messy. But right here I have this over the door shoe rack. that I got from Target. Then I have, you know, my clothes and stuff. I tried to color coordinate it. It didn't really work. Then underneath here, I have another shoe rack. And we got a little storage space above. This seat I got from Amazon. It's an ottoman that also has storage inside. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna put in there. This rug, I'm not 100% sure where I got this rug, but if you watched my video from last year, it's the same one, and I think I said it in that video. Then we move over here. I have this little mirror. I don't know why I put it up so high, but I got it from Target. Then I have another over the door hanger that just holds my towels and my robes and stuff. Now we're in the bathroom. So I have these towels I got from Amazon. I have my toothbrush holder. I want to get another one of these too. I just feel like that's too small and it's not that cute. Then I have this little soap set. I need to get a bar soap for right here. Then I have my over this toilet storage. I love this thing. I have this storage bin for, you know, extra toilet tissue. Then in here, I just have some random stuff, honestly. But I love that it has, you know, these cabinets for storage. Then I have these little two things. I was gonna put like cotton balls and Q-tips in them, but I've not gotten around to that yet. Then I got this little feather display from Amazon. And I want to get a new vase for it, but this is all I had for right now. Then I have paper towels, and I'm also need to get a paper towel holder. So as you can see, my bathroom is still a work in progress. But I like this shower curtain. I got it from Target. And both of my rugs, pink rugs, are Bed Bath & Beyond. The toilet cleaner I got from Amazon. Trash can, Amazon. Then over here, I have jewelry storage. In the first drawer, I just have some an extra set of towels and random miscellaneous stuff. Honestly, it needs to be more organized. Then in the second drawer, we just have a lot of hair stuff. And then last drawer is more hair stuff, but more like appliances. I'm pretty sure this is a ponytail, but yeah. And then underneath, I have a scale. This is just another poster that I got from AliExpress. Then this is my shower. I got this caddy from Target, and the removable shower head was a must. So yeah, this is the bathroom. That pretty much completes my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and let me know what more y'all want to see. I go to one of the livest HBCUs in the country, definitely the largest, with almost 12,000 students, probably more. So yeah, let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.